Hello, this is Leon Jimenez from Phoenix Home Guru. This is the second in an 8 installment series on how to go through the buying process. The second one is often put as the first one, but we have it as the second one because I think it's important to get your realtor first. But the second was getting pre-approved. The reason I have this second is because it's important to find the right lender to do what you need to do, and considering your circumstances, financial, and your type of loan. Not every lender does every loan perfectly. Once you do find the right lender, you need to get pre-qualified, and that requires that you have W-2 income, your W-2s or 1099s. 1099s would probably require, well, with any of them, you'll require 2-year taxes, and to basically go through a loan app. Your lender will talk to you about your goals. He'll gather your income from all sources, take your liabilities, which are your revolving debt, child support, any judgments or what have you may have that are doing, and pull your credit report. Now, all these things can come up with. You could have a very easy process, or they could become challenges in the process, and the challenges are almost never unsurmountable. With my personal philosophy, the loan process is never a yes or no, it's a yes or when. We have resources, and I can put you in touch with resources as well, that help you fix your credit issues if you have some. We'll have a whole different series that's coming up on credit issues, and credit repair. It is not something you do on your own. What you would think would be something that would be a great way to fix your credit ends up messing up your credit. So we will have a series on that. We're going to have a professional credit repair person that we work with that's going to talk to us about some of the pitfalls and some of the issues. But assuming your credit is just fine, your income and your income, assets, and liabilities will be calculated, and you'll be given a payment amount or a loan amount that you're able to qualify for. And it is important that you just look at not only that loan amount, but also look at your finances and your lifestyle and what you want to do on a day-to-day, week-to-week, month-to-month, vacations, what have you. You do not want to ever be house rich and cash poor. That is a horrible place to be. I have been there, do not recommend it. So we often have had people that qualify for, aggressively qualify for a home, and we have told them that, let's do the budget. Do you really want to live on $250 of discretionary income every month? So you want to make sure that it's not just that number, but you get that number and plug it into your life. And what does that mean? And all the little small things that happen with the expenses. So the process is not what it used to be. It used to be pretty much, here's a pulse, you get a loan. Now it's very evasive. Now they're going to want to know everything about you. They're going to want to know things that back in the day before the crash, nobody asked. And people have been very put off by that. Well, the paradigm has changed in lending. Now each individual step in the lending process, the underwriter, the loan officer, everybody is responsible for their actions and can be asked to buy back your loan. Hundreds of thousands of dollars are at stake in each individual person's assets if they mess up. So they are not going to mess up. They're going to do everything they can to do it correctly. And that makes for a much more stable market, and really that's what you want. A good realtor will help you through the process as well. We do. We give you guidance as to what is reasonable, what isn't reasonable. So, but getting pre-approved is a huge step, even before you start looking for a home, because the last thing you want to do is start looking at mansions when you can afford only a smaller home. It will destroy your process. You will not enjoy the home that you get if you think your budget can handle a lot more. Our next step is going to be searching for a home. It's on our next video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. I'll be glad to have any kind of discussion with you all. We've already had some discussion on a very similar thing about choosing a realtor before you choose a lender. A little bit heated, but I think that that's impactful. So thank you very much for your time. On to the next video and the next one. Thank you.